Why do financial crises often lead to recessions in the U.S. economy? Because right now, warning signs show the U.S. is dangerously close to recession, and understanding this can help you prepare. Financial crisis expert Thomas Melanin highlights two troubling signs about the U.S. economy. First, only a small segment, mainly manufacturing, is showing growth. This narrow success raises concerns because most sectors are not keeping pace, signaling structural weaknesses. When growth is so limited, it can't support broader economic activity, which often leads to recession conditions. Economists warn that if stock prices fall significantly, it could drag down housing demand and home prices. The 2022 experience showed the S&P 500 dropped around 20%, which affected consumer confidence and spending. Such market shocks limit wealth and borrowing power, magnifying economic slowdown and increasing recession risk. Billionaire investor Leon Cooperman cautions that despite current market optimism, rising inflation and unrealistic earnings expectations, especially in tech stocks, could trigger a recession next year. Overvalued sectors often collapse during financial crises, spreading pain across the broader economy. Financial crisis expert Thomas Melanin and economists like Jennifer Soar from Business Insider agree that the U.S. economy is dangerously close to recession. Their analysis shows that despite some pockets of growth, the overall economic health is fragile and vulnerable to shocks, especially in sectors outside manufacturing. What this means for you is that the U.S. economy's narrow growth and risks in stocks and inflation could impact jobs, housing prices, and your investments soon. Staying informed and cautious is key. Subscribe for updates as this situation unfolds.